Without a great retail sales training program, many brick-and-mortar retailers settle for fewer sales, otherwise they could have done more sales. That's because left untrained, employees will do little more than point to where something is located, read off the box what the features are to the shopper, and stand behind the counter waiting like a warehouse worker for the next request. With a proper retail sales training program that includes training on the behavioral skills necessary to greet a stranger and how to build rapport to a level that gains the stranger's trust, all of your product knowledge can be presented with laser precision that differs from shopper to shopper. That results in higher conversion rates, more units per transaction UPT, and fewer markdowns. The thing working against most brick-and-mortar retailers is they are selling someone else's product, hoping to make a cut. Think of them more like an agent for a celebrity. For a number of years, the celebrity has been unavailable and the only way to make a deal was to go through their agent. That's all changed. The very brands independent retailers and big box stores carry are trying to go direct to consumer via pop-up shops, apps, and their own websites. That means it will take more and more to get a shopper to even come into your store, much less buy it from you at the price you need to stay in business. Instead of offering more discounts to try to make the sale, the smart retailers take the money they would have gifted shoppers and put it into retail sales training for their crew. That training pays back every moment of every day and with every customer. Retail sales training is the only sustainable marketing program for brick-and-mortar retailers because untrained employees drive down your overall sales. It takes them longer to sell something than a trained employee. Those associates are inefficient and passive when it comes to driving a sale. That leads to lower conversion rates and lower overall sales. If you're serious about competing with online retailers, and you better care about this big time. The good news is that when you have crafted a retail sales training strategy around an excellent customer service experience, every interaction is mapped, every encounter outlined, and metrics can be placed to analyze how well you are doing at creating an exceptional experience. That goes much further than how much did we do today or how did we compare to last year.